To make homemade hot chocolate, first add 2 tablespoons, 15 grams, of cocoa powder and 2 tablespoons, 25 grams, of sugar into a saucepan. Then pour 1 cup, 250 milliliters, of milk and place the saucepan on a stovetop over medium-low heat. Whisk everything together until the mixture is hot, but not boiling. Finally, stir in 1/4 teaspoon, 1 1/4 milliliters of vanilla extract. Pour your hot chocolate into a mug and enjoy. Add marshmallows or whipped cream to make your hot chocolate even sweeter. To make spicy hot chocolate, first chop 3 ounces, 90 grams of bittersweet chocolate into small pieces. Then, add the chocolate to a pot with 2 tablespoons, 15 grams of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons, 25 grams of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon, 1 1/5 grams of ancho chili powder. Heat everything over medium-low heat until the chocolate begins to melt. Now add 2 cups, ½ liter, of milk to the pot and continue to heat while whisking everything together. Strain your hot chocolate into a mug and add a cinnamon stick for even more spice.